dropping in, let's say you have a Genie garage door opener and you need the remotes cleared out and the keypad erased. Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how you do that.
So right here we got this Genie model 2028. The first step you want to do, go to your program set button. Press and hold that in until that small blue light comes on. Let go. Once you let go, you can see that light flashing like that. Then what we want to do is the up and down arrows. Press those in at the same time. And you're going to continue to hold until the lights go out. Boom, like that. So let's see if this remote works. Alright, I'm pressing the button that activates this, and no bueno.
Denied.
Like I said, it's as easy as just pressing that program set button. Hold it, blue light comes on, let go. Up and down arrows. Press and hold those guys, continue to hold until the blue light comes on and goes off, let go.
And that's how you clear out the remotes and the keypad.
So now you got everything erased. How you program your remotes, you're going to press and hold that program button. Blue light on, let go. Purple light starts flashing.
You want to grab your remote that you want to program.
Press it in, let go. In, let go. In, let go. There it goes.
Yeah, and also when you press in the remote, you can see down in there that little green light. So each time you press in and let go, make sure that green light turns off before you press again. So just be patient. Press in, turn off. Instead of click, 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 click. Be patient. Press in, green light goes off. So let's program this last one.
Program set, blue light on, let go, purple flashing. Take your remote, press in, green light on, goes off. Press in, green light on, goes off.
So there you go, easy as that. Alright guys, to program the keypad, make sure you have some fresh batteries, because if the batteries are somewhat dead, it's not going to pick up the new programming. So fresh batteries is what I recommend. So what you want to do is erase the code that was previously in it by pressing program up and down arrow at the same time. You can see the red LED is on. We're going to wait for that guy to start flashing like that and then go out. Let go. Now we're ready to go. First step, you want to enter 3, 5, 7. Program. That little red light's going to blink slowly. Now let's just put our code in. Once you enter your code that you want, press program again. That red light's going to blink a little faster.
Go up to our program set button, press it in. Blue light comes on, let go, purple light flashes. Now let's go back to the keypad.
Let's go ahead and enter your code back in. Instead of program, let's go up and down arrows, in and out. Three times, in and out. If you have to continue to do it 3 or 4 or 5 times before it takes off, so be it. But that's how you program your keypad. Well, thanks for following me on this one, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Peace out, y'all.
Do it! Just